Hello everyone, welcome to Original Craft Oasis. Welcome to today's tutorial in which we are going to learn how to draw a candle step by step from digit 1. Start by drawing a simple 1 for the base of the candle. Next, draw a straight vertical line extending upward from the base to represent the candle's body. At the top of the candle, draw a small curved line to indicate the wick. Add some texture and character to your candle by drawing irregular shapes along the sides to represent drips of wicks. Finally, shade the bottom of the candle and the area around the base to give it a three-dimensional appearance. And there you have it, a simple but realistic candle drawing that you can easily create yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more drawing tutorials and creative content, and also press the bell icon. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please give a like to this video. Beautiful candle is ready to display now from digit 1. Thank you so much.